guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, your girl got a new camera. Super excited to share that with you guys. I know you looking like, baby, why you looking like you about to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial? No, I'm just in a Valentine's Day mood, but I'm about to show you guys my new camera. So if you want to see it, keep watching. Okay guys, so your girl went and picked up the most popular camera that's out now. Y'all already know, the Canon G7X. I got it from Best Buy. And this is the box, guys. So this video is not gonna be too long because I don't know much about cameras at all. I know I needed a new camera, something with better quality to do my makeup tutorials, and also I plan on doing some vlogging every blue moon, so I needed something for that. I was previously, well, like right now I'm recording on my iPhone, and this is the iPhone X. So guys, we're gonna unbox it and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so y'all all probably saw this camera because like I said, it's very popular. A lot of YouTubers use this camera for vlogging. Some use it for makeup videos. So this is what it looks like. And it comes with a battery charger. And it comes with the strap for your camera, and it also comes with the battery for your camera, which I already have the battery inside the camera. So this camera is real expensive. I think it's expensive. Some of you may not, but it's $600. And it's a touchscreen camera. You turn it on up there, have your lens. You can move the screen up. That's one thing I do like about this camera, so you can see yourself recording. The only thing is, while recording, I have to get used to looking into the lens instead of looking up at the screen. I like the fact that you can move the screen different directions. So I am going to record on here so I can do a side by side to show you guys the difference, and you let me know below which video you feeling better, if there's a difference between the G7X or a difference between the iPhone X. Picked up some accessories from Amazon for my camera, and I got some screen protectors for my screen, to protect my screen. I also picked up a SanDisk memory card. Now at Best Buy they retail for like this particular gigabytes, the 128 retail for like, I think it was like $40 at Best Buy. I really didn't want to spend $40, so I got it on Amazon for $20. So this is what the memory card came in. Then I also picked up the Lighting 2 SD card camera reader. So I got this, and basically with a SD card camera reader is you hook this up to your iPhone and you insert your SD card, and you can download all your videos and your pictures to your phone. So it makes it easier than doing it on your laptop if you want to edit your videos on your phone. So that's what I'll be doing for now. I actually need to take my laptop to the Geek Squad because I think I had a virus on there. But I might not do that because I also plan on buying a MacBook soon too. So we'll see how that goes. And oh yeah, that's pretty much it. So those are the little items I picked up. So now, without further ado, we're going to record on the new baby. So, yes. Okay, y'all, look down. So, okay, I am now recording. And you know what, looking at the screen, I can see a big difference. A big difference. It looks more lighter, flawless. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. I think I love this camera already. Yes, baby. That autofocus is staying on me. And also, I know a lot of people were saying like the autofocus wasn't on point, but I watched a YouTube video and I found out how to set it where it's gonna follow you wherever you go. So yeah, that's just it. I don't want to make this video long. I don't really know much about it because I'm still learning, so I'm not gonna sit up here and tell y'all a whole bunch of stuff I really don't know about it. But all I can say is stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to your girl. Thank you to the ones that have subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment below on which quality you like better, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.